Safe the name. Dubai the game, changing lives. Expensive watches, cars, lavish meals. Watch how we thrive. Happy day in the
We're
rain.
making money, brother. Why not?
For free. Racks on racks and counting. Just
$22,000.
come up and see. He's not
That's more than most people make in 3-4 months. We are doing in a couple of days.
What's up?
What's up, brother?
Yeah.
Ready for the gym?
Yep.
Let's go. Have a Freddy boy. Welcome, Freddy. I woke up late tonight, actually.
Why do we wake up this early?
Normally I wake up around 4 a.m. to get things done. I love being up early in the morning where people are sleeping. And I have my morning routine. I will actually make a video about my morning routine so you can see exactly what I do step by step. We're spending too less, man. We need to spend some more. Maybe visit the pool. It's only a couple of $100 for each person. And then the private jet. Are you ready for that?
What is that? Private jet?
What we will do is we will take a flight from here to Denmark. Of course, business class. And then from Denmark we will be in Copenhagen. From Copenhagen we will go to Aalborg, to my city, with a private jet. Yeah, to my hometown with a private jet. When I walk in Denmark, it's like Snoop Dogg walking in Los Angeles.
Ah, I see. Almost the same.
Life is hard, man. Life is hard. Saturday today. We're at the gym. It's amazing. Time is 8 a.m. Today we've made a surprise for my wife. We've made a baby shower for her with all her friends, and she doesn't know, my daughter doesn't know. So we are going after for a lunch at her friend's house or our friend's house, and then I will go for some swim with my friend and his children's, and they will enjoy. So let's see how it will go. I will record everything. Let's go.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him.
So this is our lovely spot, amazing place, amazing views and amazing people, and we are doing a lot of work. Some people are not sure if I'm really making money or not, so let me show you actually directly on my phone how good I'm doing. So look at this. We open my MetaTrader 4. Again, you can see this is a real account, no bullshit. We have some trades open here at $1,200, $1,300, $1.4 million, $7,800 today. Let's look at the date. So we have the 4th of September, right? So we had like a couple of days to trade with, and let's see from the 1st of September until today, $22,000. That's more than most people make in 3-4 months. We are doing in a couple of days.
All my life I was looking for a sign. Wasn't sure where to find a peace of mind.
the outside. The office right here. So workout done, we're back. Got a nice shower, clothes on, and nice food and so on. We are going with the family. We're going to the eye doctor first for my daughter, and then after for my wife's surprise today. So let's go. We are here now. Yalla.
Are you ready? Oh my god.
Hi. She was really surprised, and now I got to the pool with the friends. Let the ladies enjoy, and we will see later. Now it's my time to enjoy. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, I would love to meet you, man. Inshallah. Let me just see what you sent. Just give me a moment. So I can see here the age. It's very nice. And the countries: Iran, Algeria, Iraq. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's fine. It's a good start. It's definitely worth a try because again, you have like limited work to do, and we do the most. So Yusuf, should we just agree that we can take a call tomorrow with my team also on, and then talk about the smallest details and get you set up? Perfect, brother. Okay, so let me do this. When I'm done here, with the family and all this, I will go home and then meet with my team later today. We will figure out when it's best for everybody. I will send you a timing tomorrow. We jump on a Zoom or Google Meet. Perfect, brother. Perfect. It was a pleasure speaking with you, my friend. So I just have this call with like a big influencer plus 600,000 followers. And again, I just closed the call, so this is like my thoughts on the call and what's the plan and so on. This could be a very, very good deal for both parties, like for us and for them. It's a marketing deal within my trading system. We are doing some collaborations with influencers from all over the world to help them make more money, and of course we will make more money, and we will help the end user make more money. So it's a win-win-win. Yeah, I'm very excited for this. So as you saw or heard, the next step is I will go speak with my team today, find a time for tomorrow, get them signed up or get him signed up, and then let's see. The future look bright, man. The future look bright. Walking in downtown. I love this place. Look at this. So beautiful. I love Dubai. So I parked the car now. I've been here for plus 4 years now. And every time I go out, like, I'm still amazed every single day, even after so many years. I've been to every place in Dubai almost, and every day I'm just like in love with this city. Look how clean it is, how beautiful, like, wow, right? Look at this. The place we are going to is right there. It's Aira Bakery. It's a nice place. The street called the Boulevard in downtown. It's right here, middle of Dubai. And then we have my favorite place right there, Palace Hotel. That's where I come with the family like a couple of times a week, and sometimes myself also when I work. It's an amazing place just to relax and recover from from all the work. Anyway, I will go in now and see if I can record also in there. See you guys. So this is the place. So I'm here now and we are waiting for the guy that I have a meeting with. But let me show you something nice. So I showed you my phone here. Look at the results, it's still the same account. 7k now. We still have 7k here. 8k almost, so that's like almost $15,000. That's nice. He's coming now, so see you later, guys. Just finished the meeting with the trader, and he had something very exciting. He really wants to work with me and my brand, so that's very good. We spent like 1.5 hours. I'm going to the next meeting. I have like a 10 minutes drive, and my next meeting is in about 25 minutes. But I just went out, so I'm still in the thinking mode, and it's I just want to share my thoughts, like how I think, what is the next steps from here. So again, it was a very interesting meeting. I cannot tell a lot about the projects that we will be working on until I signed the deal and we agreed about everything. But it's big. It's next step of my business. He can provide something into my business, and it's definitely like short term. We're talking very short term. I think it can generate maybe around $200,000-$300,000 a year in pure profit. So again, that's money. But long term we are talking, it could do like plus $1 million, maybe 2 to 4 years. It could do plus $1 million a year, pure profit. So very exciting.
When I die, put my money in a grave.
What's up? What's up, man? I'm just confirming the booking for the private jet next week. They just sent me the offer, so I can't show it to you. But he's asking because I need to change it because we have some important things for the dates he sent. But he's asking for Tuesday or Wednesday. I told him Tuesday will be better.
Next week.
Next week.
Okay, that's early.
That's very early. We're making money, brother. Why not? Just do it, man. So
Why not Thursday?
Because I have something that I need to do. Like, if we go Thursday, we'll need to stay for 4 or 5 days in Denmark. But I have some meetings here and so on I can manage. And I have some meetings in Denmark on Wednesday. So
Okay.
let's do something crazy, man. We're going to do our daily ritual. We're going to the sauna. Steam and sauna. A lot of water, cold water. And then back to business. It's Friday evening. And I'm getting so many messages right now. We almost closed the day. Amazing, insanely profitable today. We closed the day with 20k profit. Can't complain.
Can you show us? Show me, please.
Let's see. 14k, 16k. So that's not 20k actually. It's 17.
2,000 now, and early on 14,000, right?
Yep. This is Tobias. We will do a couple massage today with the ladies. No, my wife will not be happy with the couple massage. Don't say anything to my wife, okay? I didn't say that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you again.
Yes, tomorrow, inshallah.
Always, inshallah, always.
Yes.
They love us.
What's up?
What's up, buddy? We want this thing to burn as hell. So let it burn. Ooh, we need to be careful because we can turn on the alarm. Actually, I did that once. They were not so happy. So, guys, we're going in for 15 minutes.
And of course, start the Whoop app.
Whoop, that's the most important thing, man. See you on the other side. 9 minutes. Small break and then back. My heart is pumping.
Lightweight.
Yeah. Let's go, brother. Let's go.
How about the results in the group? In the group today, how has it been?
Open the. Can you see it? Is it visible?
Yep.
Just so everybody can see again, we open the app. It's the real account as always. We have open trades for plus 2K. Closed trades only today, as you see, only today, $20,000. It's okay. Could be better, you know, could be better, but it's okay. No man, listen, 20K, that's a lot of money. And not many people will do 20K a day. And of course, we also have losing days. But at the end of the day is the risk we took, the hard work we put in. You know, it's everything. This is 7 years of work. It didn't come to me like overnight. It's hard work. It's many hours. Like right now we are living the lifestyle, right? We are like blessed. It's amazing. Like I can just walk around in Dubai, travel the world, do whatever I want and make money. And that's what I want to like help people with today, because it's easier than ever before. We are living the life, we're making money, we're changing people's lives. That's what it's about. So yeah, we're blessed. Everything is amazing, man. Let's go now. We have a business lunch with our accountant. We have a meeting, and then next, let's see what the day will bring. Let's go.
Best thing after a great meeting, small drive, good music. Let's open this one. The weather is amazing. As I always say, we are blessed, life is good, but it didn't start here. I've tried everything. Personal bankruptcy, failed business after failed business. But when you keep grinding, keep working hard, oh my God, what can happen to you? We're blessed and we try to help other people. That's what it's all about.
No past to die, just ride. 'Cause sis is by your side.